Okay, we are live. Welcome back to this will be episode 9 of the International Data Matrix. On YouTube, it's called Let's Build a Spa with Parcel. Um, Today, I don't really know what I want to do yet. I haven't really thought it out. I just wanted to get on the stream and see how that goes. You know what I mean? So, maybe a short one, maybe a long one. I have no clue. Was just doing a little gaming and decided to get to work. So the site is deployed. I think we mentioned that last time. See this here. Pull up the Twitch chat. The site is deployed, and the first iteration of it was pretty bugged. So I went back and fixed some of the CSS. Made issues for myself and fixed a bunch of CSS for the homepage at least. So maybe today I can work on the CSS for the country pages and then get to work on like the translator, and maybe do some more work on the contact. That's really what I have to do. So yeah, that might be the move. Let me pull up the Twitch chat. But yeah, as always, for anyone watching this in the future or live right now, thank you for watching, and let's get going. So far, this is the site, by the way. You can't see it, my face is blocking it, but in the top right we have the search country feature, or it's more of a filter. It's not really I guess you can call it a search, like a search and filter, because you can't filter it out by just like letters, but I guess it is more of a search. It doesn't matter. So USA appears on screen. We want to do G for Greece appears on screen. J, hell, I wonder if, no, that doesn't work like that. Okay, it has to be in a sequence. Japan, boom, there's Japan. So we have that little feature. It's pretty cool. We're getting closer to being done. We just definitely have to fill in the data more. I might be able to make an API this week for the population data. Hell, even maybe like GDP. I don't think this changes that much, but population definitely does update daily, hourly, minutely, secondly, very often. So, but yeah, this is the site so far. I am figuring that this in the footer is still a little too far to the right. And I don't know why. But other than that, what we have to do today, I'm thinking, is, like I said, the country pages. I did some very explicit positioning for certain things because if you look at Australia's flag, it's really long. I downloaded them all from the same site too, but for example, Morocco's flag is much smaller. The USA's flag is long, but one of these is smaller. Venezuela's is smaller, so I don't know. I have to figure it out how I want it, but you know, once you start changing this page, you know, the stuff isn't looking good. So Jimbo, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome. How goes it? Oh. Wikimedia? I've tried. So let's see here. Assets, not branding. Assets. It's these. I do have it as they are SVGs, but they're not all the same size. For some reason, some are longer than others, and I downloaded them from the same site. And I'm wondering, and I mean, but I think they're realistic because Nepal's is naturally this small. in real life too. So I figure that's how they are. Like United States flag is longer than, let's say, a Venezuela's flag. I do like the fact that of them all being the same size would be nice, kind of like how they are here. But if that's not how they are, then it's not a big deal. It's whatever. I'm doing well. I did some yoga this morning. I'm trying to get back to being healthy again, um, and kind of force this recovery along. It's still in the process, so I feel like some yoga would reduce some stress and anxiety throughout the day, help me with my breathing. So today was the second day I've been back at it. I'm doing all right. Hope you're doing well too. Well, so the thing is, I really did a lot of explicit placement for anything within the white container. So I have to go through and pretty much change it. So that's what we're probably going to start off with today. Here, I'll even show you in this. Where are we? Div, Venezuela info. Images. I moved everything around, so I have to change that up. Vexation. Oh, Vex, what's up, man? How you doing? I didn't know you. When the hell did you? I've never seen you on my stream. Wait, you did pop in here once. You popped in here 2 years ago. You know, it's funny. You popped in here. I'm gonna show your logs real quick. Can I show your logs? Oh, I can't. I have to do it in this. You popped in here, almost 2 years exactly ago, and said, "Hey, yo." Honestly, that's why I forgot, because it was damn near 2 years. Literally just 10 days off. Oh, you do? Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Appreciate it. Okay, so to do this, I would need to just change the CSS again. I do hate CSS. So I might have to put all of this. I might have to put all of these in the same container and put that container along the side of the web page. That might be the first move. And I can position the container, I think. So what is this stuff called? I'm gonna actually put the code on the other monitor. That way y'all can see the changes real time. I've been doing code on one screen and then on the other monitor, what you couldn't see was the freaking website. So you couldn't see what was changing. So this time I think I might change it up a bit. And I'll put the Twitch chat up here. Boom. Alright. Yeah, honestly, you would think they would have something like that. I get why it wouldn't be quite a thing, of course, but it would be pretty useful for some people. Um, some people do have it to where they switch between views easily with like a stream deck or something. I don't I don't obviously have that. I don't care to get one right now. I don't really stream that much, but it would be handy for something like that. So it looks like I have the flags of different kinds. I have it as like for the class. So the long ones are long country info flag because they are much longer than the others. The ones are obviously short country info flag. This needs to be. This is on every page, and I will add to it, but it needs to be put in a container with this because I want it to be text on one side, and on the other small side, or the other on the right side of the screen, information, flag, map, whatever, don't matter. Maybe even put a translator in here, but the translator might have its own page, so we'll see. For now, I'm gonna try to put both of these in container. Jimbo, also, what do you think, bro? How do you think the project's coming? Looking good or what? So I'm deciding on that. I've looked into the wiki API and I can't quite understand it. The documentation's not that great for me. I plan on using an API for the current events that'll populate news articles from that country, recent news articles. But for the other ones, I might hard code it into um, a file, like a JSON file or something. We're going through database stuff and more API stuff this week, so we'll see. But this data in the red over here will probably be APIs that I can grab from an API. This stuff, I'm not sure yet. That's gonna probably be the last thing I decide on, because if I do take it from straight copy and paste it into something, it'll probably be pretty quick since I only have 9 countries to do. So we'll see. So right now on the other monitor, I'm just putting the flag on the screen and that data in the same container, uh, which will also be inside the greater container, which is the white, which is just called country info. Um, but it'll have its own container as well. Um, All right. So now they're in there. So let's give it a class name. We'll call it we'll just say like metadata container. Alright, let's give it some CSS and test it out here. Let's do metadata. Oh, you know what I'm doing? That's why I'm looking at the deployed version. This is on master. We're not looking at master right now. I'm tripping. 1 second. I was like, why is anything changing? Oh boy. Oh, it didn't even build yet. There we go. Okay, that's why it wasn't working. Okay, now we can make some changes. Yeah, big oops. Now I'm curious what's going on with this header. Was it just because I added that metadata tag? Oh, that's why. Let me see if I were to delete that. Let's say we just go back to this and remove everything we did. Where is it? Why isn't it showing? Oh, I'm looking at Belarus. We're not supposed to look. It's built. The application is built. We're on local. I don't know. What's wrong here? So let's just change something. Let's change the background color of this thing from red to blue and see what's going on. Not updating. Why? Everything should have... Oh, you know what? Okay, wait, no, that's there. General information container. What's going on here? No, it's not. I'm gonna test something on the home screen real quick. Let's just say let's go to header. I've refreshed the cache. I haven't had an issue with this before. Let's take that out. I'm gonna try the changes on a different browser and see. Okay, different browser. So if I were to change this to blue, it is blue. Why isn't it working? Huh. Interesting. God damn it. No. What do you change? What do you do that cache stuff at, Jumbo? Memory? Where would I be able to do that at that you're talking about? I do Control Shift R, which hard resets or hard reloads the page, but for some reason, just not working. I'm curious why. I don't understand why it would have an issue right now. No, that shouldn't have anything to do with it. Network tab, okay. Disable cache at the top. Okay. Now is that only for this specific country's page, or is it for the whole shebang, the whole app? Okay, it is for the whole app. Alright, it's disabled. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I haven't had this issue before. I've changed some CSS of certain things. Like this should right now be blue. This is local. It's on the country's. I even tried doing something on the homepage and it's not working. I'm gonna exit out of the browser and maybe I'll do it again. It's weird because everything loads. I can search stuff, but the CSS is not going into effect. I haven't really changed anything. I deleted some images, but other than that, that's from a README file. And this is what all I've done today. Oops, what did I just do? Huh. What the fuck is going on? No errors, no. Not that I can see. Yeah, none. 2-second build time. One of my favorite songs. Or beats, I guess. There's an issue with the API, but that's to be expected because I'm all out of calls. So do you think an issue with my API is causing the page to not even work anymore? Because I'm all out of requests. How can I move this up? Oh, the alerts in VS Code? Oh, this is just some stuff for the animations. Nothing else. Animation and then the misspell. Yeah, this is weird. I haven't had this problem yet, and I'm curious as to why. Changes are not going through. Did I name something wrong, or? Styles.css, styles. Yeah, no, nothing's changed besides the stuff in here. I don't know. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna test something. I want to make sure it is strictly just like CSS. So if I delete, let's say we're on Greece, right? And I delete the first word of this, which is lorem. I'm gonna delete that. Okay, that changes. So what the fuck is going on? So if it's something with the style sheet, it's got to be because the actual everything within like the HTML is fine. What kind of issue is this, bro? It's linked. The style sheet, styles.css, right? That's what we're using, styles.css. I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna remove this page I added because it's in store. I tried shutting off the server. So just how do you shut off local 1234? That didn't do anything either. Very freaking weird, bro. npm serve halted. Oh. Alright. How do you do what's the command? Is just npm stop or serve stop? Stop serve? Or I could just do Control C, huh? There we go. Kill that. Alright, let's try again. npm run serve. Okay. Nope, still not. This is supposed to be blue right now. The header's all messed. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, Jimbo, bear with me. So to have it fixed on master in deployment, basically I changed hold on, there's a URL somewhere. URL. Not in that. Basically, I changed something to get it to be live. I think it was. God damn, I hate this. Countries. Country. What was it? Was it home index? No. Where were you? Where were you? I saw this yesterday, and I did it. I changed it to get it to work on the live version. Right here. No, that's the API. Damn. Where was it? Not in store. Home. Countries. I don't remember where it was, but I'll find it. Just give me a second. I don't even remember what fucking page that was. Main? Was it main? Index home. There's a URL somewhere that specifically loads that country's page the way it's supposed to, and I changed it from local. That's what it is. I just have to find where the fuck it was. I hate this so much. So much stuff. Was it index.js? Let's look through this first, and then we'll go up top. Oh my god. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? There's a URL. I think it might even show on here. Maybe not, but let me find it and we'll get back to it. Oh my god, I'm really struggling to find where the fuck this is. Maybe I can search it. Quotes countries. Quotes slash country. Maybe I could just do slash country. Okay, action, countries. So this needs to be local. I need to remember to not update this page. We're just doing this specifically for localhost 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. What was it supposed to be? Localhost 1, 2, 3, 4 slash countries. I might have to look at the old commits. Yeah, let me look at the old commits real quick. What's it called again? GitHub? I forgot what it's called. I almost said SitHub for some reason. I don't know why my brain thought that. Alright, GitHub. This is in the header.js file. Man, I should have checked this out. So, action is. What were you like before? What were you like before? Header.js. Home. I wish there was a way to click on a file in GitHub and actually just straight up. Yeah. Well, I pushed changes from development to master or main, whatever you want to call it. So that the app locally should still be running what master is. I just have to change it back and keep it that way for development and local and for testing purposes. Since it's deployed. I think that's how it would work. I'm trying to find. I wish there was a way. So I click on my capstone, right? I click on where the file is. I think it's the header file that's messing this up. This is what's master. Oh, you know what? Can I see this? I want to click on history, and I just want to see previous versions of this file, not previous full commits of everything else. Localhost. So it was localhost countries. Okay, still not working. Why not? We're on development, right? What else did we change? That's all we changed on that page. Huh. This is weird, man. I don't know. Okay, let me try the website again and make sure that's at least working. So this is the deployed version, which looks fine. Obviously, but this is what I want to change. Huh. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta use a head real quick. like, okay, it still has CSS, but it's like got the old version of it. It's not updating. So I could change this stuff in here, but why is it not doing it in real time? Hold on. Hold on. So let's look at this. So inside the country info class, let's look it up in the code, right? Let's just do that real quick. Country info. Why? What the fuck? Okay, hold on. So wait. Let's look at this here. So we have the country info class, which is what I was looking at just now in what I was looking at right here. The margin, you take that margin away, that's there. You know, that's fine. If I were to take that same margin away right now, save it, it doesn't update. We know that. But for some reason, let me pull up the GitHub again. God damn, this is fucking weird, bro. What a weird problem to be having right now. So we're looking for the CSS file, styles.css. So even master has that. What the fuck is going on, bro? Okay, I guess I'll try shutting it down again. See if that works. I haven't been able to accomplish anything because it's just so it's still running, but it's not updating the styles the way they're supposed to be. I don't understand why that would be that way though. Code installation appears to be corrupt. Please reinstall. Installation appears to be corrupt. Resolving shell. Okay, so maybe that's what it is. Maybe we just have, since I've never used the server, I don't think. I mean, I did just get this pop-up saying my installation is corrupt, so maybe I need to reinstall. In fact, when I did the code command, I've never had this stuff happen before. So maybe I do need to reinstall. Hopefully this fixes it. Installation appears to be corrupt. VS Code does a background check to detect installation has been changed on disk, and if so, you will see the text unsupported in the title bar. I mean, I can try this. I can't imagine any other reason. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Let me I don't know if any changes that I made is the problem though. I'm only gonna push the images that I did earlier for the README. Everything else I'm gonna keep the same. Also, I do need to do no, because then it goes to master. So I just need to do the images. Everything else I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna push any of the changes that I've made, since most of them were to test out what the fuck is going on anyway. So everything else is good. We'll commit these changes though. Okay, once it's pushed through, make sure I get on GitHub. I'm going to uninstall code and reinstall, I guess. I don't know what could have possibly happened. So just bear with me for a bit, y'all. I'll try to figure this out. Hopefully this fixes it. Also, if you're wondering why I'm not coding in Linux, it's because there's some issue with like code in the project, and it's like, oh, you don't have permissions to clone this direct, or you don't have permissions to do something. Excuse me, just burped. Visual Studio. Studio Code. Let's uninstall. I have had to reinstall code on my Linux machine. Let's pull the chat up here. Never seen that before. Yeah, man. It's crazy. Maybe this is my cue to just set up NeoVim. Oh, Jimbo! If you're still here, do you have a save of your... Do you use NeoVim? I don't even know which one you use. I figured you did. I don't know why. I shouldn't have assumed. But if you do, let me know. If not, just let me know as well, I guess. No, I don't. Okay, right on. No worries. Just curious. Okay. Add to path. Add open code action. Create a desktop icon. Sure. Alright, we're reinstalling. Hopefully this fixes it. I'd probably need to turn the sync on and everything, get my apps back. Jim, have you ever played Dwarf Fortress before? Have you ever heard of it? Okay, let's let it do its thing. We haven't gotten that pop-up yet, so let's see. Haven't played it. Did they release a Steam version of it? It's so cool. I never was able to play the first one. It was so inaccessible. Okay, we didn't get that pop-up, so let's see if we can do local again. Okay, I don't think so. So is it really just like the style sheet that's... Hold on. Let me look through the style sheet, see if there's anything that I'm personally messing up. Usually it would throw an error though. Well, no, because nothing's changing in the first instance. Nope. Man, this is really bumming me out, bro. Oh, what the fuck? I can't even work on my project anymore. Yeah, it's on Steam. I have the Steam version right here. Just bought it. It's pretty cool. Definitely tedious and a lot going on, but I don't know, Jimbo. Show split console. I don't think it's got anything to do with the API, cause it I don't know. I don't know what else to try though. It's just not working. Like everything else works, but the styling. The styling is not working. It's so weird. Which is strange because the styling it works. Well, it doesn't change. Nothing's being updated basically. I don't understand why the fuck that's the case. I'm gonna test something out. Let's see here. If I were to disconnect this from here, what would you throw me? Let's just say I did something wrong. Okay. So that reads that. Okay, dude, I don't know what the fuck, Jim. I don't know what the fuck the problem was, but literally changing this, literally making that wrong and then correcting it, fixed it. That's what fixed it. Taking away in the linked file in the relationship or whatever. I took away the S, I deleted it, and I added it back, and then it worked. Now this is blue. Yeah, very odd. I don't like that at one bit. Imagine I could have spent hours going through every possible solution for it to be some weird just reset that I had to do. That's been the last... How long have I been streaming? Unfortunately, damn near 30 minutes of the stream has been dedicated trying to troubleshoot that. And that's annoying. Whatever, though. Okay, well, at least we're on the move now. That's all that matters. So now we can start moving this shit into a container. Start moving these both into a container. These should already be good. But this is what the page will look like. Once you go there, you know, down here you'll have like some data, like the capital city, famous language or common languages. Yeah, it's just annoying, I guess. It's just you expect everything to work because it works every freaking day that you use it, and then this one day it's just like, oh, there's a weird bug going on. Not with. I don't even know what the bug was. VS Code, or was it this style sheet issue, or I don't know. But yeah, so this is how it's going to go. There'll be some boxes down here, maybe a globe to map out the latitude and longitude. Who knows? There's going to be a lot, though. There's going to be a lot of cool shit. I have exactly, from today, I have 1 month before this is supposed to be produced or be presented. Gonna lurk? Okay. Appreciate it. Take it easy, man. Or, appreciate you lurking, even stopping by for a little bit, Jimbo. Oh my God, Viper, again, I'm so sorry. I don't know when you sent that chat. I hope you're still here. Uh, I'm sorry I missed it again. This is the second time that I've missed your chats, bro. I hope you're still here. How you doing if you are? Damn, 70 minutes, bro. Nah, it's all good then. Yeah, I'm doing all right. I'm just trying to get, so this box that I'm making is, I want it to be on the right hand side of the screen of the monitor. Excuse me. Always. Oh wait, did I unmute? Yeah, I did. Okay. I want it to be over here. So I'm just trying to get its sizing right because it's going to be next to all this text and it's probably going to be a long box. So now I just got to position it and hopefully, yeah, keep going. But what do you got going on today, Viper? Working on project, working in general, what you got going on? That's true, I could say float. Might be able to do that without. Beautiful, okay. I forgot all about float, I haven't used it in a while. Margin on top and right, on right and top, yeah. I just gotta figure out what the hell this stuff is doing up here now. Yeah, that's what we kind of want. Flag's a little bit bigger, but I might reduce the size of them, honestly. Let's reduce that to like 200 pixels. Doing awesome, man. How about you? Good. I'm doing great. I did some yoga this morning. I'm feeling all right. A little hungry, but I'm just gonna eat in a little while. Haven't eaten breakfast, but I don't feel like tired. I think the yoga is helping, as well as like not eating first thing in the morning and eating nothing heavy throughout the day. Yesterday I ate heavy and I was just like, dude, I need to stop because my body's still not back to normal after COVID. So we need to figure out why. You know, I think I know why, but that's good for now. This is, let's change the width. Something like this is kind of what I wanted. Let's, oh wait, 25%, 20%. I'm getting there. It's taking a very, very, very long time. Very, very long time, to be honest with you, but we're getting there. So this is a good step in the right direction. We have a flag, we have the metadata that we're gonna have. Now why is history is, so that would be topic. I made it an absolute position. I gave it that I did that. So I need to stop doing that. Explicit positioning. Mobile app design? Hell yeah! What's the is Jarvis gonna be the mobile app? Country info. Nice, man. What language were you writing Jarvis in again? Was it Python? Python, hell yeah, dude. Nice. I can't wait to get back to some Python. I think once I'm done with this bootcamp I'm in, I want to rebuild this app, and I might do like the back end in Python once I like learn how to do that. I think that'd be pretty cool. Okay, so there's still one thing missing, and that is going to be the native name of the language, which is here. Again, I don't need specifics, explicit directions. I've been giving him explicit directions, or positioning, I guess you could call it. There we go. Alright, cool. So now the pages are going to have the same theme. And if we shrink the screen size, I'm not a fan how the flag looks. I could probably fiddle with that some more, but it starts to not be so garbage, you know. Smaller screens such as like this can handle it, which is good. So good stuff. We got it. The first like 40 minutes of the stream were dedicated to problem solving, or troubleshooting, I should say. So let's think here. What else do I want to do? I think I want to bring. What do we got? We have a margin. Country header name. Native name. I want to put those both in the same container as well. Country header name and native name. What does this section go to? Oh, well, while you're here, Viper, I can show you what's going on, man. So this is the International Data Matrix. It's basically Wikipedia for countries, right? You go to this landing page, you're like, oh man, this is pretty cool. I wanna learn more about or I have a report on Morocco, right? You can either search up Morocco or just type in M or MOR, whatever, and it'll filter through those countries. You know, preview that country and a very little bit of data about it, right? You click on that page, and then obviously this doesn't look like the other one working on, but let's say it's Belarus. Oh man, I want to learn about Belarus. All right, boom, and you can go to Belarus, and then what's gonna be, there's also gonna be a translator, so you can translate those languages. So yeah, fully functioning contact page. Not done, but it works. You can send me contact stuff. Translator's not ready quite yet, but I've been building documentation for it as well. So yeah, man, it's coming together. So far we only have 9 countries, but depending on how I can get the data for the countries imported, we might have more. I think it'd be sick. Only problem is that I'm on Windows. I am on Windows and thinking about coding mobile using Swift. You're on Windows? Oh yeah, mobile apps, aren't they designing like, so you're trying to do it specifically for the Apple Store if you're doing Swift, right? Or is that, I think Kotlin is the main one for Android design, and yeah. Alright, that's what's up. Either way, you're on Windows, and I'm thinking, dude, you gotta get off Windows, man. I know I'm on Windows, but you know, that's only because my Linux is not, for some reason with this project, my Linux is not working with it for some reason. Okay. What else do we want to do here? Honestly, I'm really happy with how this looks. Oh yeah, I need to put those in the same div. Okay. We can get rid of their explicit positioning as well. We already did actually. So this is, what is this called again? Can download Xcode. What's Xcode? Is that another text editor? Oh, is that the type of editor that you need? For Kotlin or Swift? What are these called again? These are called header, no. Country name and okay, so country name and native name. Country name. Native name, okay, country name. So let's put these both together again on the okay. So they're in the same thing. There's a large space in between them, to be honest, and I don't know why. Does it have like some type of padding or margin? So I'm going to build an app in Swift, or I'm going to use VMware PlayStation and install macOS on my laptop, so I can use Xcode. All right, nice. I use VirtualBox and I use Linux, but I still use VS Code. At some point, once I'm done with this project, I'll probably take some time and really start getting to learn NeoVim. But I just haven't had the like every day. I just want to work on this project. So, platform from iOS mobile development. Nice. All right, as long as you got it mapped out, that's good, dude. I use Ubuntu usually. Like here's VirtualBox down here. I've tried using Fedora on here, but for some reason it doesn't really work well. But like I said, with this project, Ubuntu is like, it's like, oh, you need permission to do things. I'm like, man, come on. So, you have Ubuntu? Yeah, I like Ubuntu. Okay, so this large space in between there is kind of throwing things off. Is it because of the font size? Yeah, it is. Is it? Ubuntu, not sure if you can get Xcode on it. Maybe. If not, then Mac sounds like a good alternative. Okay. I really don't like this. Maybe I need to change it to a paragraph rather than a subheading. No. Why is there such a large space in between there? Wait, what did I just do? It did it again. Why is it doing that? Oh, because of this. I was like, wait, what? I accidentally put that in there. That's good. Okay. Padding. Okay. I think I'm good with this and how this layout is. Click on the country, go to that country, and boom, you have Belarus. Change this back up to, let's make this margin a little less, maybe like 100, see what that does. Wait. Maybe 1, 2, 20? Not too much. Not too much. Make this font size a little larger. Not too large. Okay. I really do want to get -10 pixels. Margin. Okay, -15. That's better, and then I can put like a margin. Actually, let's do this padding. Padding. You might need actually like a margin above the top two, but maybe not really. This might. Oh. Oh. Right. This might need a margin up top, so it's kind of like alongside the. Be back, bro. All right, man. For sure. Okay. What do we want to do? We want to. Excuse me. Excuse me. I apologize, y'all. Let's give this a margin. Top. I'm with that. I like that. I like that. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. As Jeff would say, that's pretty hot. Topic size. We're gonna make these smaller. We're gonna make them 40. Okay. What else? So, do we want this any larger than that? Let's see, 75. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I am pretty satisfied with this. I think the width could be a little bit better. And the flag itself, maybe I can turn that. No. Shit. Wait. Maybe that's good the way it is. I might also change the way the topics um, width is a little bit more, so that, because if we're going with this small of a section, we can go like maybe 75. Oops. Yeah, that's better. So that's not that much white space. I like that. That's good. That's good. Okay, now the thing to do is to give the same exact stuff to every other country. Okay, let's do it to the same freaking thing. I'm just gonna do it. Y'all won't be seeing the changes in live, but I'm just gonna make sure each one has the same thing. So what we did is we moved this down here. We moved native name up here. Right? Where's it at? Where's native name? And we moved. Wait, what's going on here? We did metadata container. Right. Oh, also I don't have the chat open, so if anybody's saying anything, I'm sorry. don't know what's going on there. It's this header is messing up, and I don't know why. I don't know why it's over here. I'm burping a lot. I wonder what the fuck I ate yesterday. Really don't know. So this is the version I didn't change anything, and this is also the version I didn't change anything, and yet it fixed itself. Okay, dude. Okay, whatever. All right, so Australia's good now. We can do the next one. Australia's good. Belarus is good. Let's do Greece. My Twitch chat keeps going away. I'm getting that same issue again. CSS is not rendering, and it's pissing me off. I don't understand why it keeps doing this. Weird. I'll be back. I gotta use the bathroom and probably gonna make me a little bowl of cereal or something. So just chill out. I will probably be going to grab something to eat here soon. So, oh, the music stopped. I think the music stopped. I don't know. I just didn't hear anything when I turned put my headphones on. All right. That's I want to try to finish all the countries so they all have a similar format now, like this. And then once this is done, probably end it. So. Yeah, man. Oh, Arth, what's up, man? You're coming along. Check it out. The live version's doing well too, but making some changes. So we just did these ones. I changed up the country page, so now nothing has an explicit, really, except for, yeah, nothing actually has an explicit whatchamacallit. I'm learning. Nothing has an explicit position. I'm learning to not do that. I mean, technically some stuff does, I guess, but not like, it's not super, it doesn't fuck with everything, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're working on, I did Australia, Belarus, and I just did Greece. It needs some changes, but other than that, we had to do the other ones. How you doing, Arth? Yeah. Too much work. Damn, dude. Well, have fun. Yeah, I can feel that. Okay, Japan, we gotta put this H1 with this section, and then it needs to be, hello? I fucking hate this. Div, no. Get rid of this line, we don't need that, doesn't even do anything. Make a new div. Okay. Then we need to make another div under here. Ba, 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 ba. Metadata container. Okay, so that should be good for Japan. Whoop. Oh, wrong thing. Thank God my freaking key wasn't up there. Or was it? Oh, almost it was. Doesn't matter. It had no more calls left anyway, I guess. Where's the page at? So we just did Japan. Japan looks okay. Definitely any other flags that are considered short, I'm gonna have to change it up a bit. But other than that, looking good, looking good. USA. I do? Oh, I didn't give the div a class. Boom. The United States is good too. Free API key? Yeah, right. Actually, I found a cool one that I'm gonna try to use. One of my instructors pointed it out. It's called REST countries, and for what I want to do, some of it. So you can see here on my, I have this data that I want to get: ISO codes, capital cities, currencies, maybe like some other stuff. Apparently this API has that stuff. I just gotta figure out how to do it. So keeping that browser tab open. All right, next one. Why did I do USA first? I was supposed to do Morocco next. Oh. Okay. Hell yeah. href Merca page. Merca. Yeah. I should, huh? Who cares? Merca. That's all it says. History? Who cares? Merca. Or it'll say like when America came into his life. So Japan's might be a little little toxic. So Nepal's gonna be a little different. Well, maybe not really. Not too much. It'll just have to be centered in that little container. Yeah, some countries on this list, if it was a fully completed list, it would be pretty fucked up with the things it said. I mean, if it was Great Britain, it would be too. So. Yeah, the pause might need to be changed a little bit. Alright, Arth, take it easy. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by, man. Peace. Okay, all of them are good now. Every country. So let's just run through real quick. This one, Australia is good. Belarus is good. Greece is good. Japan's good. Morocco's good. Nepal is okay. Sudan's good. USA is good. See, the problem is I want all the flags to be the same size, but I didn't get them like that from the same website they were on, so I might have to do something with that. So what do we think about that? Oh, hello. Caffeinated vibes. What you making? You were on mute. The only thing I heard was I'm sorry. I've haven't had the chat. I haven't been looking at the chat as much as I should be. Hopefully you're still here. I am making what I call it's a project from my coding bootcamp. It's called the International Data Matrix. Basically, it's Wikipedia specifically for countries, right? There's not going to be famous people unless it's something to do with that country and its history. For now, at least. So again, sorry I missed your chat. Only thing I heard was, what do you think about that? Anyway, if you're still here, all you would do is you land on this page and you're like, okay, I have a, let's say you're a student or something. Oh man, I have a project on a place. Well, obviously, you're probably going to go to Wikipedia, but the idea is you would use a site. So, okay, maybe I can search up the USA. I want to learn more about the USA. Then the USA tab populates on screen. You click on it, and it'll be a bunch of fucking information about it. Or you could just click on this to view any country in the world. Right now, there's only 9, but that's what we got going on. So, yeah, that's the project. So again, if you're still here, hopefully you are. I apologize for missing your chat. It's really easy for me to. I have all kind of stuff open on both screens, so I'm starting to think I need a third monitor. So the flags for like the longer flags like this one look great. The shorter one's not so much. Maybe I could specify a height. Yeah, you can never have too many monitors. I think the very most I'd ever want is probably 3. Like completely surrounded in them, encased in them, if you will. Landscape, and maybe one on the left hand side or the right hand side for chat, or something that would be like portrait view or whatever. You turn the monitor. I think that'd be cool. The project looks cool so far. Good job. Thank you. It's coming along. I need to build the translator page, continue building the contact page, continue on with the documentation for it and everything. But overall, it's definitely getting there. So I do appreciate you stopping by and letting me know that it looks good. Thank you. So where's Japan? That's a little too stretched. Can I change the width of it at all? I don't even know how I would do that. Caffeinated vibes. Do you program? Do you code? Do you even code, bruh? Oh my god, this is a small image. Nah, let's just let the width be the width. we're not gonna mess with that. The height, maybe we can do like 80. Maybe we can change the padding top 0 or either -10. Okay, that's better. 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's go with friggin' 4. See what it does. All right, 1. I mean, whoa, what are you doing? LOL, yeah, I've done some JavaScript in the past, but mostly Python. Nice. Python is cool. I like Python myself. I just haven't done it in a while. Do you do it as a hobby or a for work or learning it still? All 3? 2 of 3? 1 of 3? Which one? What was I at? Wait. Ah, okay. I'm with that. I think that looks a little bit better. It's not great until I can find flags that look the same for everything. So Nepal will have to change, but like Greece, see, that looks much better. Some of these were just too short. Now they're a little too, you can tell they're stretched out, but it's not terrible. So shit, I'll not as, ooh, we might increase the height a bit more. Can we go 90? Oh. Let's go 95, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not going anymore. All right, let's go 200. That's the highest I'm going. Is this even changing anymore, or is it bugged again? If I take this to 20, yeah, it's changing. All right, cool. All right, 200 looks good. Now, when we do this, what do we got? Yeah, there we go. That's the ticket. All 3. I recently got a Raspberry Pi. Nice. I want to get one myself. Still brainstorming? Nice. Well, I'm sure it'll come to you. Oh, damn it. I got a message. 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna send a voice message real quick. So 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, man. Back has been killing me the last week or so. Alright, let's do it, baby. So the pages are looking fire. I'm very happy with how they're... Oops. Uh-oh. Did I just do something with the stream? Hello? No, we're still good. Alright. I did something. Okay. All three, though. Raspberry Pi. When I was learning a little bit about C, I was curious about getting a Raspberry Pi. Okay, so for now, I'm cool with the way the layout is. Once we start getting this data, this section, this div will go pretty far down probably. But of course, all of this is just placeholder stuff too, so. I do need to make that nav menu. Okay. So, with that being done, countries all look pretty good. It looks like there's a little bit of extra space here that doesn't need to be. Nepal. Let's fix Nepal, shall we? Nepal's flag is a little screwed up, a little screwy. Um, um, okay, let's first make sure Nepal does not have bare bones mini computer. You install the OS via micro SD card and oh, by card, okay. Hook up your peripherals and good to go. Yeah, maybe I'll look into one for Christmas or something for myself. Treat myself a little bit. Sounds cool though. Let me know. I don't know if you ever stop back by again and you're working on it. Let me know if you work on it some. That'd be pretty cool to know about. I like learning about people's other people's projects and what they do and how they get to the finish line with them. So Nepal is given a short country. So what we can do is actually just take this away from Nepal since it's a special case. And then we can just go ahead and say come on, go to the side of the freaking, there you go. What we can say is Nepal, we can do the same thing with like the margin. Oh, gross. Hold on, let's change the height. Okay. Caffeinated Vibes, thank you for the follow. I don't know why the notifications still do not ring or whatever. They don't do their thing, you know what I mean? But thank you very much for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome. I have a Discord. It's not for the stream. It's for developers and people like myself learning. Some people in there are super experienced. 20 years or so, some more than that. Feel free to join if you'd like. We just have conversation about technology and programming. I'm the only one in there that usually asks a lot of questions, but hey, you know, feel free to do it yourself if you'd like. And if not, it's all good. No pressure, no pressure. Let's do border. Ah, oh, gross. Fuck. Hold on. That's gross. That's gross. What the hell? Ah, oh, Nepal. I mean, it is. Maybe we don't need the border for it. The border is kind of throwing off since it's not a full rectangle. Maybe we take the border out. Oh no. Wait. Wait, these both have, there's two margin tops. Hold on, I gotta fix this. What is this supposed to do? So if we remove the 10, it doesn't do anything, right? Okay, good. Nepal, what are we gonna do with you, Nepal? Luckily, this is the only time we have to do anything kind of like weird, because this is the most, I think this is the weirdest flag of all nations in the world. Seychelles is weird too because it's super, super long. Also, if y'all can't tell, I'm a geography and nerd kind of. Why? So wait, when we had the border, just want to test something out real quick. So we should keep the border, but maybe we can just make it a transparent border. Well, yeah, maybe that'll work. I think that would work. Transparent. No, it didn't. How, I don't know how that didn't work. If we just make this black, it takes, wait, it's not doing it now. Hold on. Oh, I know what it is. It was border radius. Got it. There we go. Cool. Nepal. Good old Nepal. I think we leave Nepal as is for now. It definitely is weird, but I don't really know how I would fix. I mean, I could maybe justify it to the center and make it smaller, but then every other one would not look anywhere like that. So Nepal just might be a little screwed. Oh man, my back, dude. I can't wait. I need a new chair. All right. Well, so for as far as today goes, we got a lot of CSS done with this shit. This is still off. I want to look into that. Is the footer? There's no padding on it. The footer has, these have one. Nothing else has padding though, right? Ba, 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 ba. It might actually not be this. It might be this container. No, not that one. Welcome container. Oh, actually, yeah, it might be. Wait. No. I feel like this is more centered than the footer, but I don't know what in the footer is causing the issue. Oh, excuse me. Oh boy. I definitely noticed there's like a slant here. It's starting to bother me a bit. Just a little bit, just a tad. Or, wait, what? They're the same length. I don't know. I don't know. It's even happening here. So it's definitely the footer. Something about the footer is really messed up here. Really screwy. But it doesn't have any CSS added to it. It's a little dark in here, huh? It's been gloomy outside for the last few days. I'm imagining it's gonna snow soon. Why is it this way though? It's because the body has it's probably because the body has padding. Let me see if that's it. Is it the overflow? Well, that's something, but that doesn't center it, does it? No, it does not. So we're gonna keep that there. Is there anywhere else that I just specified body? Usually I do like body. And that didn't fix it either. Oops, put it on the wrong screen. I'm curious what it is. I don't know. I really I don't know what it could be. If anybody else knows, let me know. I'm curious. The icons have padding, but that shouldn't change anything. It's still not even with this, so I don't know what it is. That's alright, we'll worry about it some other time. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's make sure we put the correct changes in here. So the only thing I don't want to commit is I think header.js. Pretty sure that's the only thing I don't want to commit because it's going to go to the deployed version. So we'll put in everything and we'll take out header.js. We'll keep this local. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Well, we say we fix country page layout, minor changes to CSS. That's really all we did. We did this too, but this was just to make sure it worked on local. And now that I mention it, now that I mention it, I want to see if the change like this actually works. Or does it need to be local? So let's do our push. All right, now let's check to see if this one change worked, and if so, then I'll put this one in there in the next commit. just do countries. For some reason, something tells me it won't, but you never know. It does, still. Oh wait, let me make sure. So it can just be countries, which is good. It doesn't have to be localhost. So next commit will add that. Interesting. Okay. Unless I already did by accident. I don't know. Oh, you know what? No. I don't. Basically, my understanding was I thought I needed localhost for it to work. I just need countries, so it does still work. So I don't even need to commit anything because this is what master has too. So okay. Um, let's see. I need to start working on two things, three really. I need to either do the nav page, the contact form, or the translator. Maybe I can work more on the contact page since it's already started. Oh my god, excuse me. If you guys are still here, let me know how the music is. If you like it or not. I am kind of starting to want to reduce the space between this globe. It's a lot of space in between there. I don't really like that. That's bothering me. Oh, you know what? Let me see something. Okay, there we go. That's better. It was too much space between there. Okay, contact form. Actually, how long have I been streaming? It's going to be a very long upload to YouTube. 3 hours? It's not that bad. One second. Yeah, man. TN, I'm definitely not TN. Canteen is what we decided to call you, right? Canteen. TN. I was thinking Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, I'm definitely on day two. Day two of like my ninth month or whatever it is. Eighth, no, 6th month actually. How you doing, man? Welcome. Sorry about that. I had to schedule a meeting with somebody. I hate CSS, dude. I'm just trying to get the shit in a fucking line. That's all I want. I just want everything to be in a column. Okay, y'all. I have to help out another classmate of mine with something. For all of those who stopped by and who are still here, thank you. For all of those watching in the future on YouTube, thank you. For the follow today, Caffeinated Vibes, shout out to you. Thank you very much. I hope y'all have a good one. I will be probably streaming some more tomorrow. Uh, so we'll see. But yeah, peace and love, y'all. Later.